Okay, how about if you show me on your dolly where the man hurt you?
We will probably get him someday, because after all, molesters keep on molesting.
Because we just keep on letting him do it.
That's right!
There's no reason for the both of us to defy the court order.
Why? What is the worst thing that could happen?
Jail.
You're her father. Why don't you give her an opportunity to get rid of it? Don't let her carry it around like some secret the rest of her life.
They already fired this Traeger.
Well, that's good of them. Weeding out the pedophiles.
Hi, Carrie.
Oh, Harvey!
She's such an energetic child, such a bright one. I mean, she's really a joy. But recently, she's not been able to respond to her teachers. She's not been responding to her friends. And now she's been taking a doll with her to school every day. Won't let it out of her sight.
You got any ideas on reasons for this, Mr. Stone?
Well, just today, she made a drawing in class, sexually graphic. And Mrs. Skinner, one of her teachers, asked her who was in the picture that she drew. And she said it was the man who hurt her. Then she began to cry. Seamus, no running in the halls, please, young man. Okay? Sorry about that.
That's okay, I'm used to it.
Have you notified the parents?
Parents, singular. He's a weirdo. I called him right after I called you. He's on his way now.
Well, when he gets here, we're going to want him to take Carrie for legal medical examination.
There she is.
Your department.
7, right?
Yes.
Thank you. Low. Hiya. What's your name? I'm Detective Lacey. This is Detective Cagney's my partner. What's the matter? You don't believe me? I got my badge right here. It's, see, that's me right there. We need to talk to you about the man that hurt you. I have to tell you the truth. I already know your name. It's Carrie Mitchell, am I right? Yeah, Mr. Stone told me that. That's a dear little dolly you got there. Mr. Stone says that you like to keep her with you these days, right? Kind of close. So, Carrie, can I call you Carrie? Thank you. So I have to ask you questions about the man that hurt you, otherwise my partner's gonna start to pester me. But before we start, I want you to know something, okay? Whatever you want to tell me, no matter what it is, I'll believe you. And if the person that hurt you told you that it was a secret, it's okay to tell me because I'm a police officer. You understand that, right? Okay, well, can I have my badge back? Okay, put this right here, and we'll start, all right? Okay. Who hurt you, honey? Neil. Who's Neil? Your babysitter. Can you tell us how your babysitter hurt you? Okay, how about if you show me on your dolly where the man hurt you?
Carrie. How about a picture? Can you draw us a picture?
Atta girl.
Who else do you sit for, Neil?
Why?
Just wondered.
You're gonna talk to all of them, right? You're gonna tell them that someone said I was a pervert.
We're not going to say anything we don't have to, but we do have to investigate the allegation.
Yeah, that I...
That you what? That you what?
This is a nightmare.
Could you give us their names and addresses, please?
I've only been babysitting a month. Carrie is the first child I've sat for more than once. The others, you're just gonna have to get the names and addresses from the babysitting service. Look, I want to help you in any way I can, but I have a midterm to go to. I'd like to get dressed. Is there anything more I can do?
When would you be available to talk to us again?
Didn't I just say goodbye to you?
Yeah, I left my wallet and I just locked my keys in the car.
Well, if you wait a minute, I'll look for the extra set.
No, that's all right. I'll get a hanger. It'll be faster.
Did anyone ever tell you you look gorgeous when you're undercover? Want to help Daddy find his keys? Come on.
Yes, Mike, did you handle that small cavity job we had in Berkeley?
Uh-oh, looks like we got us a live one here. Police, get back from that car nice and
Step
slow.
away from the car. Let's go.
He's got a gun. Get the gun.
Leave him alone! Stop!
Oh, move.
Don't hurt him! Don't hurt him!
Get the hell back.
Stop it! Leave him alone!
Shut up now, you shut up.
I'm a cop, damn it.
Her name is Roxanne.
Where's he taking her?
Renoir's, 43rd Street.
The man is going all out, especially for a first date.
I bet you it's got a costume close to a C note for the wine and the tip.
Coleman, how do you know all this stuff anyway?
Hey, does Macy still gimbals?
What happened to you? Marital spat, huh? Hey, a girl takes a poke at me, I get right back at her. I don't want to get away with that stuff just because she's a woman.
Back off, Victor, okay?
Hey, no skin off my nose.
Well, that was very good, Victor. That's quite a bruise. What happened?
I cut myself shaving, all right?
All right. Rob?
Marcus, are you all right?
I don't want anything fancy, you know, just a haircut, that's all. Oh, yeah, and maybe a manicure. Okay, good, yeah. Yeah. Tell Nick that I will make it worth his while, yeah. Right, okay, thanks. You know, there used to be a time you could walk into a barber shop, you plunk down your 6 bits, and that was it. Now you gotta make an appointment, you know. With a hairstylist, you gotta go to a salon. And then they stiff you for 25 bucks. You know what? The only difference I see is that in the old days, the haircuts would last longer.
I don't think you need a haircut.
No, you should see Harvey. Waist was hanging down over his ears.
Oh, well, Harvey's a married man. A married man doesn't have to worry about his appearance. So, what do you two need?
we want to subpoena some business records.
Which case?
A little girl at school turned out to be a sex abuse case, sir.
One of her own family?
No, the victim claims that she was molested by her babysitter. There have been no priors on the man before, and the service won't cooperate.
Well, figures. They're afraid of lawsuits and bad publicity. I'll call legal and tell them the subpoena's a priority.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Mary Beth, the hospital called. Carrie Mitchell never came in for examination.
Got the father's business card? We'll find out what happened here.
Mitchell, McDonald, and Maine, attorneys at law.
The lawyer. He was nice for a lawyer, didn't you think?
For a lawyer.
Excuse me, Lacey. Cagney. Somebody here to see you.
Yes, Jeremy Mitchell, please. Thank you. I can see he's not there. So how's your dolly feeling? I thought that you were going to take her with you to the doctor. Mr. Mitchell?
No, thank you. We won't be staying that long. Carrie, honey. Are you going to tell the officers what you told Daddy? Hmm? That's all right, honey. Nobody's going to get mad at you, all right?
Hey. Hey, didn't we make a deal this morning? You could say anything to us, right? Come on, it's okay.
I made it up.
What? I'm sorry.
Oh, she imagined it. I guess it's a phase she's going through. I'm just sorry the school didn't call me first before bringing you two into it. I could have saved you a lot of time, and I apologize for any inconvenience this has caused you.
Oh, hey, Carrie. What are you crying for?
Okay, baby. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. We can go home now.
Mr. Mitchell, please wait.
I'm ready to take Carrie home. This has been very hard on her. She has a school vacation coming up in about 10 days, and I've made arrangements with her grandparents to take her for a few weeks.
Mr. Mitchell, you realize we've already filed a 61 and notified sex crime squad, so this investigation will probably continue.
No, it won't. You can kill it.
We'll have to talk about that with our supervisor, sir.
You do that, it's fine. Tell him it's been a mistake and it's all over with.
It's not that easy now.
You do it. Or I do it. Thank you, detectives. Sit.
What is that?
It's a yogi thing.
LaGuardia?
Yeah, he said if I do 50 of these, it's as good as a whole night's sleep.
LaGuardia told Coleman to take valerian root to lose weight. You checked the gut on Coleman lately? You didn't sleep much last night either, huh?
About 10 minutes before the alarm went off.
So what number you on here?
Well, now you see, I don't know. You mixed me up. I kept seeing this scene in my head last night. Neil Traeger offers us coffee, and he's in a state of shock, I guess. Got a child molester running around. We can't even touch him.
Let me ask you something. What if he isn't?
What if he isn't what?
What if he isn't guilty? Well, the little girl's mother just died. I mean, maybe none of this is true. I had a pretty wild imagination when I was her age.
Oh, no, you didn't have an imagination about stuff like that. I mean, you were there. You heard that little girl talk about stuff that nobody her age would know about unless it happened to her. I believe what she said.
Mary Beth, she said that she lied.
Chris, I know as sure as I'm standing here right now, kids don't lie. Not about this. here? I don't see her. Maybe your father kept her home. No, she's got to be out here somewhere. Oh, wait, there she is. Carrie? Hey! How you doing? We were looking all over for you. I'll tell you the truth, I was worried about you.
I'm not supposed to talk to people I don't know.
That's a good rule, Carrie. But you know us, right? Come on, talk to us a minute, would you? Last time I saw you, you were crying. And are you okay? Well, that's the important part. Looking forward to going to your grandma's, huh? That'll be fun. Carrie, I told my partner that you're a straight arrow, so could I check something out with you? Remember yesterday we talked in the nurse's office, right? And you told me about your babysitter, remember? And then later on, you came with your father to the squad room, right? Did you make up that story about your babysitter? Did you? What'd I tell you? Straight arrow. Well, I was just wondering what kind of a loving father encourages his child to lie, sir.
Oh, come on, Detective Lacey. This is not the debating team. I have discussed this with Carrie's child psychologist, and it is her reasoned opinion, as well as mine, that Carrie should not be subjected to any further unpleasantness in regard to this matter.
You're not even denying that you encouraged her to lie, are you?
Please spare me your feeble attempts at cross-examination.
We need Carrie's testimony in court. It's that simple.
I'll make it even simpler. Get someone else's child to do your dirty work for you.
We don't have another witness. And testifying in court is not dirty work, sir. It's a civic responsibility.
I know exactly what testifying in court is, Detective. King of the cross-examination, that's what they call me. Although in sex cases, it's not even difficult. My last rape case, I had the victim in tears. Barely knew her own name. I won. A month later, my client was arrested again. Another rape. Now, last week I was in the bank. Ran into the victim. You know, I didn't even know who she was. But she knew me. She remembered me. She spat in my face. No, thank you, detectives. Carrie declines to exercise her civic responsibility.
Mr. Mitchell, this is a first-degree sex abuse case. If you keep telling your daughter to lie, you can be tried for obstructing justice, tampering with a witness.
You take me before the grand jury, and I'll hit you with the biggest false arrest suit you've ever seen. And next year, I'll be the richest man in New York City.
You could take it to family court, have you declared an unfit parent.
Another brilliant idea. Arrest me, put Carrie in a foster home. They all lived happily ever after. Now that is the classic, fabled ending.
Petrie.
Yes, sir.
You want me to initial this?
Yes, sir.
Why?
It's all in the report, Lieutenant.
I read the report. You're alleging improper conduct, specifically the use of unnecessary force, and you're alleging it against officers Brundage and Ballard.
That's correct.
I still don't know why. Petrie, suppose it was you out on patrol, and you see a guy trying to break into an automobile, a guy in civilian clothes. He's trying to break in with a coat hanger. You go over to investigate. You don't see a shield. What you do see is a gun and a shoulder holster underneath the guy's jacket. What do you do?
Well, I don't slam the suspect up against a car.
No, what do you do?
No, I don't slam him up against a car. I don't do that.
Well, I'll tell you what I would do. As soon as I see that piece, I don't leave any margin for error. That's what I do. And I want to tell you something, Marcus. These guys had no way of knowing that you were a police officer.
I don't think that's the point,
What is
Lieutenant.
the point?
The point What they saw, Lieutenant, was a black man, shabbily dressed, in a middle-class, predominantly white neighborhood. Now, if I were white, they would have asked if I needed a locksmith.
You believe that?
Yes.
You know something? In all the years that I've been on the force, I never once filed a civilian complaint form from a fellow officer. No matter what. You know why? Because it can lead to loss of rank, loss of pension, benefits, and maybe even dismissal. Do you realize that? I'll tell you what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to put it on my desk for a couple of days. In the meantime, you think about it. At the end of a couple of days, if you still want me to initial it, I'll initial it, and we'll send it over to the review board.
Thank you, Lieutenant.
What we got? What do you say? Can we do it?
I can't file. You've got an uncooperative witness.
No, it's not the witness, it's the father. See, he's convinced himself that it'll be better for the little girl.
Oh, as opposed to us, who, being on the side of the angels, think it's better to throw her into some adversarial courtroom proceeding and let a jackal of a defense lawyer tear her apart.
Oh, come on, Rhonda. The fault of the judicial system is not on our heads. It's on yours.
Oh, thanks.
You go ahead and laugh. All we want to do is get this man off the streets. Now, can we subpoena this little girl into court without her father's cooperation or not?
Do you have any idea how hard it is to win a case when all you've got is the testimony of one small child? Make that one terrified, traumatized child in an alien, threatening environment of a courtroom, and then you throw in a squeaky clean defendant and a father who's telling her to lie? Nuh-uh. I gotta tell you, I'll pass.
I asked a question you have not answered.
Rhonda, we know this guy is guilty.
Guilty. 90 cents gets me on the subway.
Well, now that is a terrific attitude.
I do not understand what we are arguing about here. Now, I want this guy as badly as you do. Happens that I need witnesses to do it.
But we're still trying to track down possible victims.
Good. You get me 3. And 3 children might still not equal 1 adult in the eyes of a jury. Oh, but hey, who said life was going to be easy? You want lunch? I'm starved.
Who can eat?
I'll buy.
Sure. Let's canvass Traeger's neighborhood tomorrow. Maybe he approached a neighborhood kid.
It's a long shot. Chance of getting anyone to admit to it are very slim.
All right, we badger the lieutenant again about the subpoena and find out who Traeger babysat for.
Lieutenant's looking for you two.
Thank you.
Well, hurry up. He's already late for Roxanne.
Roxanne?
It's a blind date. Very hot.
Oh, good. Glad you got back before I left. I got something for you.
Is it the subpoena, sir?
No, not yet. The babysitting service is fighting that.
On what grounds?
Well, they're arguing it's irrelevant.
Perfect. Irrelevant. The man works there.
Well, I know that, Lacey. But you got to consider it from their viewpoint, too. Whether it's true or whether it's not true doesn't make any difference. As soon as it hits the newspapers, they're out of business. Besides, they already fired this Traeger.
Well, that's good of them. Weeding out the pedophiles.
It's just arrived.
What is it?
It's a restraining order. Jeremy Mitchell, forbidding you two to approach either him or his daughter.
Well, he can't do that, can he? This is an ongoing felony investigation.
He can and he did. Police harassment.
It's great. We can't get a subpoena to give us the names of other possible victims. The one witness we do know we're not allowed to talk to. And meanwhile, there is a child molester walking around the city with 2 million kids.
We do what we can. I'll let you know about the subpoena. Anything else?
No, sir.
Thank you, Lieutenant.
By the way, how do I look?
With due respect, sir, we got this jerk we can't touch. And your concern about how you're going to look on a date is irrelevant to me, sir.
Don't you get sarcastic with me, Lacey. You think for 1 minute that I don't care about that pervert out in the streets?
No, I'm sorry, sir.
Now, how'd you know about my date anyway? Never mind. Now, you listen to me, to both of you. I've been at this a lot longer than you. And if I let every case that backed me into a corner eat at me, then I'd have been eaten alive long ago. I let myself get riled up about cases I can do something about. And I suggest the same for you, too, both of you.
Yes, sir.
You live a lot longer.
Look very nice, Lieutenant.
Yes, sir, you look very nice.
You look real nice, Lieutenant.
real nice.
I tried something different. I had Michael read himself to sleep. One of those, what, ESSE Hinton books. I mean, do you believe that stuff? Gangs, drugs, fights, and all that? I mean, this is for 10-year-old kids. Now, when you grew up on Grantland Rice and Red Smith, it's kind of a shock, huh? I guess it's a different world out there. He's doing okay with the reading. I mean, he's no Sir Laurence Olivier, but he's getting better. You want to watch some TV?
No.
You want to talk?
No.
Are you mad at me or something?
No, I'm going for a walk, okay?
Hey, yeah, that's okay. That's okay. That's terrific. Why don't you just go for a walk?
No, I'm sorry. It's not about you, okay?
Hey, I know it's not about me. You haven't thought about me in days. You're so wrapped up in other people's troubles, you don't have any time to spend with your own family.
What do you want from me, Harvey?
A little effort to talk to me!
Would you go inside, please? Talk? Okay. Talk. Everybody wants this lousy case to go away. For the babysitting people, it's business. And for this father, I'm furious with this father, Harv. I don't know. This little girl is like, her face is like, porcelain, you know, like. And somebody messed with her, Harvey. And the father brings her downtown and makes her look like the liar. He doesn't care about getting the molester. He won't let her testify. He won't let her even talk to me. And if something like that happened to Harv Jr. or to Michael, I would not sleep until I got the guy that did it. I talked to you. Got nothing to say?
I don't think you want to hear it.
You disagree with me?
No. I just see his point then. I mean, you said it yourself. This little girl, she has been through a lot. And if he thinks that testifying and all that would hurt her more...
Just let the creep go ahead, go on and do it
That
to somebody
is
else,
not
little kid.
what I am saying! I am saying that this man loves his kid just like I love mine.
Don't you dare say that to me, Harv Lacey! I love my kids, and I love you more than anything else in the whole world.
And that is why you haven't spent 15 minutes this whole week with Michael or Harvey Jr. You sit in this chair all night, you hardly talk to me because your lousy job has got all your attention.
My job pays half the bills around here, remember?
So it deserves all your attention?
I'm gonna take a walk.
Why don't you walk down the hall with me instead?
I'm going for a walk on my own.
I'll be here.
The lieutenant was in very early this morning.
So?
He wasn't out late last night.
You saying he struck out with Roxanne?
Well, maybe not. Maybe he never went home. Further news bulletins as they break. You again?
Cagney?
Yes, Lieutenant?
Close the door. Sit down.
Thank you.
So, how you doing?
Well, it's kind of frustrating, Lieutenant, all the dead ends on this case.
No, I'm not talking about your case. How you doing? Your life. You know, life is more than just the work you do, don't you think so?
Oh, yeah, sure. It's just that the work sometimes is easier.
I don't know what you mean. Listen, Cagney, you're a woman, right?
Well, I'm working on it, Lieutenant.
I mean, you're out there. You date, okay? Huh? And there's a certain language that you speak. Well, I don't get it sometimes, you know?
Beg your pardon?
Well, let's say, for example, you're going out on a date with a guy for the very first time, right? And let's say that you had a good time with him. What do you say to him?
Say to him?
Yeah, you tell him you had a good time?
Well, if I had a good time, I tell him I had a good time.
Uh-huh. Yeah, okay. So what would you say to him if you didn't have a good time?
That one's a little tricky, Lieutenant. Actually, sometimes you say you had a good time even if you didn't have a good time.
Yeah, sure. That's right. Let the guy off easy, huh? Don't hurt his feelings. That's what I thought. Okay, thanks. You got work to do, right?
Well, wait a second. I mean, the chances are just as good that she had a good time.
Yeah, so why didn't she say so?
Oh, I thought you did.
Yeah, Samus. Huh? Yeah, okay, thanks. Yeah, they'll be down to pick it up. Your subpoena cleared. The two of you could pick it up downtown this morning.
Oh, thank you, Lieutenant. Look, Lieutenant, why don't you just give her a call and ask her out again, see what happens?
Yeah, what if she says no?
Well, then you'll know if she had a good time or not.
I think he vaguely looks like a guy. If you want to check him out, we can do that.
It's up to
Hey,
you.
Detective Petrie, can we have a word with you?
I'm in a hurry.
Come on, this should just take a minute.
Listen, maybe we can go someplace a little more private.
Anything you have to say to me, you can say in front of my partner.
All right. We came here to ask you to reconsider filing charges. Look, we're sorry for what happened. It was an honest mistake. Look, I got 11 years, Petrie. You know what'll happen if this goes in my file?
Wonder why you didn't think about that before you jumped me.
Hey, man, we didn't see a shield. All we saw was your piece.
Victor, we better get up to the Bronx.
Hey! You heard the man. Get lost. Let's go.
They stare at me, babe. Think I'm being some sort of hard case. Angry black man with a chip on his shoulder. I know that's what they think.
Are you?
You saw what they did to me.
I gotta tell you, Marcus, if you ever have to make a judgment call like that, man with a gun, I don't care what color he is, I hope you do exactly the same thing.
I can't believe you're saying that. I should go out and roust people.
I'm not saying roust people. But if you do make an error, I hope it's on the side of caution. I'd rather see you facing a brutality charge than me being the grieving widow at some inspector's funeral. This may shock you, husband of mine, but I love you more than I love some abstract concept of civil liberty. Hey. What's wrong? Talk to me. I'm your wife.
I let you down.
What?
You beat me up right in front of you and Lauren.
Honey, it's okay.
No, it's not okay. Because I couldn't protect you.
Marcus, I didn't need protection. I felt terrible because I couldn't protect you.
Claudia, I never felt like that before. I felt helpless. All I could think of was that you were watching, and I couldn't do anything about it.
Oh, baby.
Do you know what that feels like for a man?
I don't know what it feels like. But I tell you what I do know. I know that if we need you, you'll be there for me and Lauren. And we'll be there for you. And that's all that matters.
No, babe. See?
Yes. That's all that counts. You don't have to be a Superman. Just Marcus Petrie.
So, one family's moved. One family, the kid's fine. One family doesn't talk to cops, but the kids seem okay. If there's nothing wrong with this Hayes child,
Yeah, then I'm not giving up.
well, maybe we'll get lucky this time. Hell, Mary Beth, I did not mean it that way.
I know. It just doesn't matter what we do on this when someone ends up getting hurt.
I tell you, you gotta get off this guilt trip of yours. People getting hurt on this case is not our fault. It is Traeger's, and I'm not gonna let you do it to yourself this time.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Hello?
Mrs. Hayes?
Yes.
We're conducting an investigation. Concerns your son, Michael. Could we talk to you for a few minutes?
Okay.
I don't get it. You ask us for a witness, we got your witness, and now we're doing the best we can.
3-year-old? A 3-year-old on the witness stand?
Okay, you explained it to us. We understand it. We know that it's not gonna be not easy.
Hey! I would settle for not easy. This is impossible.
The man is guilty.
I cannot go into a courtroom with nothing more than the uncorroborated testimony of a 3-year-old. I have to qualify him as a witness. That means that I have to prove that a 3-year-old understands the meaning of the oath and knows the difference between telling a lie and telling a truth.
I know.
You wait! You'll be a 3-year-old. I'm gonna be a real lucky defense lawyer here. Michael, did you see Dumbo? Did you see an elephant fly? Do you believe in the Tooth Fairy? Do you believe in Santa Claus?
I got the picture.
No jury is gonna convict any adult on the word of a 3-year-old.
We're all the picture.
Still, you realize that we will probably get him someday. And we really don't have to do very much because, after all, molesters keep on molesting.
Because we just keep on letting him do it.
That's right! Until we get enough credible witnesses.
Mary Beth. Now, you see, you've upset my partner. Mary Beth, you want to slow down a minute? Where are you going?
It's bad enough if we have a sicko out there, we don't know who it is. And we gotta eat ourselves up worrying that we won't catch him until he does it again. But this, Kristen, I know it's Traeger, and I will not sit around and wait for him to rob somebody else's innocence.
Are you going to talk to Carrie's father?
Yeah. Yeah, you go ahead and take the car. I'm gonna get a cab.
Mary Beth, there was a restraining order.
This out of Christine Cagney?
You want to ride?
No, I'll go by myself. There's no reason for the both of us to defy the court order.
Why? What is the worst thing that could happen?
Jail.
I've been there.
When?
I told you, when I was 13, I lifted the ice skate.
Oh, ice skate.
Petrie,
Yes, sir.
I can't find that civilian complaint form anywhere on my desk.
Well, I tore it up.
Oh, you're not gonna file?
No, sir.
Well, can I ask you why?
Well, with all due respect, Lieutenant, it's none of your business.
Okay. You're right. It's not. You know, Petrie,
My grandfather tells a story about the old country. He and my grandmother were on a train somewhere between Minsk and Pinsk.
Is this the one about the Cossack?
Oh, I told you that one already. With the helmet filled with sour cream?
Yes, sir. A very nice story.
Yeah, so you'll give it some thought.
Right.
Lieutenant?
Yeah?
Telephone call for you on 3. It's a lady named Roxanne.
Hey, what is it with you guys, huh? You never seen a guy get a phone call before? Nah. Good enough. Well, Roxanne, how are you? What, in the back of the cab? Oh, well, you know, they turn everything in at the end of the shift, so all you got to do is... I'll tell you what, I'll call over there and I'll see if they've got it, okay? No, it's okay, no. Saturday? I'm free. I love pot roast.
I don't know what I have to do to get through to you people. I do have a restraining order.
Yes, sir, we understand that, but we want to talk to you, sir.
Have you ever been on the wrong side of the bars, Detective? I understand it's a fascinating experience, and I am not bluffing.
I know you're not bluffing, sir. I know you could have us put in jail, and I'll tell you the truth, I wouldn't be angry at you.
Your hand, please.
Mr. Mitchell, will you give me 2 minutes of your time? And then you can go ahead and make your phone call and get the restraining order enforced, okay?
Okay.
I understand why you're doing what you're doing because I got kids myself. You're doing what you think is best for your little girl. And if you could, you'd wrap her up in cotton so that nothing would ever hurt her, no matter what. But life isn't like that, sir. I mean, sometimes, no matter what we do or what we wish, our kids get hurt anyways.
Is there a point to the story? If so, would you please get to it?
Point is, Mr. Mitchell, the Neil Traeger is a filthy, predatory animal who should be removed from society. However, in between his midterms, he is out preying on small children. Children who are just as young and just as sweet and just as innocent as your Carrie. And it's in your power to keep this from happening. And I say if you don't exercise that power, you are responsible for every other child that he hurts.
We already know of one other child he molested, sir.
Now, why can't that child testify? Because his parents won't let him, right?
No, sir, they want to help us, but the DA says the child is too young. His name is Michael. He's 3 years old.
He's 3.
Yes, sir.
We'll be ready to start in just a few minutes. You all ready, Carrie?
Mary Beth.
Hello, Jeremy.
What the hell are you doing here?
I represent Mr. Traeger. Neil, you know Jeremy Mitchell.
Hi, Carrie.
Oh, hey, knock it off. Stop it. I said stop it. Knock it off. Stop it. Stop it.
Assault in front of witnesses? Jeremy, old boy, you're slipping.
Just get him out of here.
Mr. Zabi, you and your client have no business here.
Ms. Gallegos, I'm under the impression this is still a public hallway. And we're not breaking any laws.
You're intimidating a witness.
Are we? Neil, come on, let's go sit down over here.
And Miss Gallegos?
Yes.
We're ready to start.
Thank you. Okay, Carrie. Now you just remember everything we said. You can do it.
No.
Carrie, are you afraid because Mr. Traeger's here? Carrie, he can't hurt you anymore. He can't, honey.
Don't want to.
It's all right, sweetheart. Daddy will take you home.
Mr. Mitchell.
I am taking her home.
I'll be back. Mr. Mitchell, if you take her out of it, then he wins now. Don't you get that? Could I just talk to you for a second?
Would it do any good if her father went in with her?
Just to upset, make her self-conscious.
So what about Mary Beth?
Maybe. I'll see if the foreman will allow an investigating officer to assist me.
Mr. Mitchell, would you please wait?
There's nothing more to say. We're going home.
No, I think it's a mistake, sir. She brought it up. I think it's bad if she gives up in the middle.
I don't care what you think, Detective.
You're her father. Why'd you give her an opportunity to get rid of it? Don't let her carry it around like some secret the rest of her life. She needs to talk about it.
Well, she doesn't have to talk to the grand jury. She talks to me, or she talks to her therapist.
No, sir. It's not the same thing. This way, maybe she helps another little child. This way, what she says makes a difference.
Carrie, sweetheart, do you want to go into that courtroom tonight? It's up to you, son. Whatever you decide, it's okay.
I'm scared.
Oh, sweetie. I'll tell you the truth. I get scared every time I go to court. I bet your father does, too. But I'll tell you something that helped me not be scared. Carrie, I imagine I got a friend sitting right in front of me, and I look right in her eyes and I talk to my friend. And I forget about the people in the room and I talk to my friend. You could try that, maybe.
I can't imagine a friend.
Mr. Mitchell! Mr. Mitchell, Detective Lacey can be present during the hearing. The foreman has agreed.
Carrie, understand what she said? You don't have to imagine a friend because you could talk to me in there. Can you talk to me?
Yes.
That's your choice, sweetheart. But you don't have to.
Hey, Carrie. Hey, honey, give me a hand. Now listen, you hang on to my hand, and you keep looking at me, all right?
It's gonna be all right, sweetie.
Good luck.
Okay?